Hi, my name is Samantha. I live in San Francisco and I work in tech. For as long as I can remember, I've always been into beauty, but increasingly so now that I'm older and wiser, I am getting much more into non-toxic skincare. As much as I'd like to, I can't go to the spa all the time and treat myself to a facial. That's why I'm always on the hunt for super effective and super convenient anti-aging skincare products. I want that glow. So one of my all-time favorite products is Sonage's Collagen Boosting Serum. I use it every night, and every morning I wake up a little bit younger. Can I say that? And on special occasions, when I'm going to be going out for the weekend to a big event, or when I'm going somewhere with my girlfriends, or going on a date, I like to pair my collagen boosting serum with the collagen sheet mask for that added oomph. And I'll walk you through that demo today. So just before we begin, just letting you know that I've just tied up my hair and I washed my face with Sonage's Hydrating Cleanser. And now we're ready to go. So first thing I'm gonna do is take 1 pump of the collagen boosting serum. And I'm gonna apply it liberally all over my face. I also like to apply it to my neck, because that ages too, you know. So I'm not gonna rub it in too much because I want my face to be a little moist when I put on the collagen sheet mask. So now I'm gonna open up the collagen sheet mask. As you can see, it's dry right now, and in order to get it to stick to your face, you'll have to moisten a cotton pad in some water. I'm going to dab it on my face, and this is gonna activate the collagen in the mask. So I did say that I'd do this, before a special date, but just remember to not go on your date this way. Now that we've activated the collagen, we're just gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to soak in and do its magic. And voila, you can pick me up at 8. All right, 15 minutes is up, and let's take this off. And this is why I love the collagen sheet mask. I really, really love it. When it's paired with the collagen boosting serum, my skin feels so deeply hydrated, and my skin feels firm and really plump. And I would really 100% recommend it to anyone who's looking for a must-have anti-aging product. Thank you so much for watching me turn back time on my skin. If you guys want to learn more about the products, go to sonage.com, and I'll catch you all later.